It's up to second-in-command Conrad to chart a safe passage.
This island here, it's not lit. You know, it's 4 miles wide between this reef here and this island. It's going to be dark. You know what, last thing I want to do is put the boat on a reef.
Conrad has raced round the world single-handed, but he's used to having GPS, online charts and weather reports.
Listen in, guys. Okay, we're going to pass through this tonight. I need everyone to stay vigilant. If we say all hands on deck, everyone's up, okay? Because when we go through it, it's going to be fucking serious times ahead. This is definitely the biggest challenge so far. Once we get through here, we're happy sailing, but we've hit it at a bad time.
Is that an imagination or was that a lump of land?
There's an island and a smaller blobby bit on the end of it, right over there.
That's the first time that it's hit me, and this is pretty serious shit.
Just got to be cautious as these little ones here.
In daylight, it's easy to see the surf breaking over the reef. But at night, they'll be hard to spot.
I think us crashing into a reef and the boat disintegrating and all of us going AWOL in the water would be the #1 worst scenario.
Reece?
Yep.
Can you be my ears and eyes?
I was just waiting for the call.
You're sort of looking, trying to sort of pick up some breaking waves.
Can't see anything yet. It looks like he's praying.
Look at you. He's praying for both of us.
He is, eh? Sounds like a bit of a roar.
We've got a very strong gust here, guys. Try and get that sail in a bit.
Tell me when, Conrad.
That's good.
Halfway through the reefs, they're hit by a sudden storm.
At least the water's warm.
Guys, it's not a game, it's not a joke. If we end up in the water, we have to fucking wipe this out, right?
It's a pretty big swell. Big wave. Big wave.
It's the first serious test of Ant as a captain.
Big wave.
And of Conrad's sailing skills.
Wind shifted 180 degrees and it's blowing about 30 knots.
I am clinging on for dear life right now.
Big wave. Is everyone in the boat?
Yeah.
It's fucking scary. The boat feels really unstable.
Put that one back in a bit.
This is pretty shit. I've never ever experienced anything like this before. Right? The heart's going, mate. The heart is going.